Hi everyone. So this is an MIT question. It's really easy. So all you have to do is just write it in a different format. So we have x to the power 1010 on the numerator and 1 minus x to the power 2022 on the denominator, right? So x to the power 2022 I can write it as x to the power 1011 in brackets squared. Means the same thing. So then you take a substitution of u equals to x to the power 1011 du over dx. So you differentiate that, 1011 comes down into x to the power 1010, right? So then du over 1011 x to the power 1010 equals to dx. Okay, so you go back into your question. You have x to the power 1010 over 1 minus. So instead of x to the power 1011, I'm going to write u. So write u squared dot dx. Instead of dx, I'm going to write du over 1011 x to the power 1010. You can see these two will cancel off. You can take 1 over 1011 outside. All you have to integrate is 1 over 1 minus u squared dot du. So now how do you integrate this? You can write it as partial fraction. So 1 over 1 minus u squared. You could write it as a over 1 minus u plus b over 1 plus u. So what we have to do now is we need to find the values of a and b. So 1 equals to a into 1 plus u plus b into 1 minus u. What I did was I multiplied every single term by 1 minus u squared. Okay, so then when u equals to minus 1 equals to 2b, so b equals to half. And when u equals to 1, a equals to half, right? Let me just recheck. Yeah, everything looks good. Yeah. So then all you have to integrate now is 1 over 1011 into the integration of 1 over 2 into 1 minus u plus 1 over 2 into 1 plus u dot du. So this will give you, this gives you minus half into ln 1 minus u. This gives you plus half into ln 1 plus u. It's very easy. Those integrals are really easy. If you guys have any doubts regarding those integrals, please drop a comment. I'll help you guys out. If you just differentiate this, you'll see that you get the same exact fraction above. So now you just put put your substitutions back in. So okay, u equals to x to the power 1011. Okay, before going any further, I'll bring these two together. So you could write half ln 1 plus u over 1 minus u, right? Yep. And you can multiply 1011 by 2, so it's going to be 1 over 2022. Okay, and instead of u, I can write the substitution we had. So I'll just put in a bigger bracket. 1 plus x to the power 1011, right? Was, yeah, over 1 minus x to the power 1011 plus c. Don't forget your c. All right, this is the answer for this question. Yep, everything looks good. Yeah, that's the answer. And now let's go on to the next one. Now when it comes to this question, it's a bit different, but basically you guys can figure it out. It's not that hard. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, now this I can write down as, so 1 plus 2x to the power 2022. I'm gonna write that as 1 plus x to the power 2022 plus x to the power 2022. I'm going to put these two in one bracket over x. Now if you look at the denominator, you could factorize, right? You could take x out. If you take x out, we'll have x into 1 plus x to the power 2022, right? So now let's divide these into two fractions. So you have 1 plus x to the power 2022 over x into 1 plus x to the power 2022. You can see these two cancel off, right? That's one fraction, and the other fraction is going to be plus the integration of x to the power 2022 over x into 1 plus x to the power 2022 dot dx. Okay, so the one we have on the left side is just the integration of 1 over x dot dx, giving you ln x. Okay, I'll write plus c at the end for our final answer. So if you look at this, if I take it down here, so we got x to the power 2022 over x into 1 plus x to the power 2022 dot dx. Now you could cancel these off and you'll have x to the power 2021, because 2022 minus 1 is 2021. Now this is easy, right? So if you take, I don't even have to take a substitution, but I'll take it so that you guys will understand. I'll take a substitution of t equals x to the power 2022, then dt over dx equals 2022 into x to the power 2021. So then dt over 2022 into x to the power 2021 equals to dx. Go back into your question. X to the power 2022, sorry, 21 over 1 plus x to the power 2022 dot dx. Instead of dx, it's going to be dt over 2022 into x to the power 2021. These two will cancel off, and instead of x to the power 2022, I'm going to write t. Okay, so now we just have to integrate 1 over 2022 into the integration of 1 over 1 plus t dot dt, and the integration of this is very easy. It's ln 1 plus t, and t was x to the power 2022, right, into 1 over 2022. But this is not your final answer. You'll have to add it with the previous answer we had, which was ln x plus ln x plus c. And that's the answer for the second question we did. And that's everything for this question, for these questions. If you guys have any doubts, please drop a comment. I'll help you guys out. And if you guys like my teaching, leave a like and subscribe. Have a great day. Thank you so much.